Look at all of these business credit cards. These cards specifically saved me from bankruptcy once, and now they're allowing me to scale my business to levels that I didn't even thought possible. Now, let me tell you how and where I started. I came from Italy in a very small town with only 800 people living in it and making pizza for just $20 a day. I saved like $1,000, spent 700 on a plane ticket, and I came to the US with nothing but a dream and $300 in my pocket. And now I run a seven-figure business together with my husband, Hal. Today, I want to show you exactly how I got to this level and how you could do it even faster than I did. So let's go. All right. So first, I'm going to show you my real story on how I even got into business funding, how I grew it, how I did it, and how I have millions of dollars of worth of a business credit today. I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake that I made so you don't do the same thing. And I'll give you my biggest lessons and secrets on what I did to get in business credits. But first, let me tell you where I really came from. I grew up in a little small town in Italy. While I was in high school, I was working in a pizza maker shop and I was making $20 a day. That's it, barely surviving. But I had a dream of coming to America. I didn't know what I was going to do, but knew I was going to do something. So I saved every penny that I could. And it took me obviously a very long time to save $1,000. And I spent about 700 on a plane ticket and came to the US with just $200. Some connections, but not too much. Barely speaking English, barely speaking Spanish, which is a big deal in Miami. And I had no idea of what I was going to do. When I got here, I met Javi, or actually better said, I met him. Because our moms were best friends since high school. So I had met him when I was little before. So his mom gave me a place to stay so that I could while I was figuring things out. Long story short, Javi and I fell in love almost right away. We started from the bottom, like everybody else. I was working like McDonald's, regular front desk job, restaurant, supermarket, you name it. But Javi and I always wanted to have more. I knew I didn't want to leave my whole family in my country and have the same type of life that I would have had back home, but in Miami. And truthfully, I'm blessed to have Javi because he is the risk taker and that he is the main reason why we even started in this. Right after a Colorado trip, Javi had a aha moment, and he came home and babe, we're starting a rental business. And I was like, okay, I don't even know what an oil change is. Never had a house before, but okay, we'll do this. And we thought we had it all figured out. And we got to a point where we had over 42 cars and 11 Airbnb. The first business was booming, or so we thought. But then the disaster struck. We got involved with the wrong people with fake identities, fake insurances, fake everything. And what we thought were legitimate customers turned out to be a massive scam on us. So one morning I woke up and I'll never forget. I was on Instagram and there's this page, Owning Date. And in there, I checked the stories, to see what's happening in my county. And I see a car and I'm like, that is my car. And it was wrecked and left stranded in the middle of the highway. I was like, that's my car. What do you mean? And then the phone calls started happening. The cops started calling us saying that our car was being stolen. Another one was crashed. That one was abandoned. Then the insurance called and they said they wouldn't cover any of it because the people were using fake identities. And I'm like, why were you able to create a policy if they had a fake identity? You shouldn't even have known. It was a whole thing. But long story short, we lost over $600,000 from crashes, stolen cars, and insurances that wouldn't cover claims. It was one of the hardest times of our life. Javi's hair was literally turning gray just from stress, and I was losing my hair. And the problem was that we were either going to make money or file for bankruptcies. Those were those two options. And the worst part about all of it is that we financed the majority of our cars under our credit, but we also used the friends and family members to get up to 40 cars. So if we filed for bankruptcies, they would have been screwed too. And we couldn't let them down. That wasn't an option for us. So there we were, $600,000 in debt, about to face bankruptcies. And what we did is that we got approved for all these business credit cards and we maxed them all out in order to sell all the cars and to start a new business, right? Now we were okay, I sold the majority of the cars, but now I put a Band-Aid on it, right? Now I need to find a business. What am I going to do next in order to make money and relatively fast to be able to cover $40,000 of fixed monthly expenses and pay everything back. Like, what am I going to do now? So we looked at each other and we're like, okay, business credit cards really are saving our ass right now. It can save others, like that are even like they even just want to scale just to invest into growth, not even like to get out of a hole like we are, so if it saved us, it could save others. So that's when we discovered the funding industry. So obviously we funded ourselves multiple times to grow the rental company. So we knew the funding worked. And we saw other people in the industry making serious money helping other businesses get capital. So we thought, saved us, we can save others too. Let's start this, babe. Literally in a weekend, we did everything: landing pages, ads, courses, videos, everything, you name it. We did it all in one weekend because we didn't have the luxury to wait. We didn't have the luxury to say like, I look good on camera, oh, I'm shy. We didn't have the luxury to do any of that. And here's the thing, but we didn't want to just, obviously we wanted to make money, but we also wanted to provide a good service. And that's why I really dove deep into business credit. So first, let me explain what business credit actually is, because you probably already know what personal credit is. And just like it, there are, like, for that one, there's 3 credit bureaus, right? Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. They give you a score, and based on your trade lines, how well you pay your credit cards, if you're doing on-time payments, loans, how many you account, how many you open the account, and how much you owe, right? Score based off of that. But here is what most people don't know, is that there is also business credit, right? So just like personal credit, there are 3 business bureaus: Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet. Dun & Bradstreet is the biggest and most important because it's the oldest and what lenders look at when evaluating your business credit. And here is the amazing part. Business credit works completely differently than personal credit. With personal credit, as you start using your personal credit cards, your credit scores drops. But with business credit, they're looking at things a little bit differently. Now, they're not really looking at how close you are to your limits, but they're looking at how well you pay back your business debts. Because when you're running a business, you run out of debt the majority of the time. And most businesses have a lot of debt, a lot of lines of credit, and they usually don't pay all of their debts off immediately. That's just how business works. And this is why you need to understand, because I need to get you off the personal credit card track and onto the business credit track, so you can start getting access to the capital that you need to scale. So I started learning everything that I could on how business credit works, how to build it, how to leverage it. And what I discovered changed everything. The first thing that I learned is that you can start the business credit immediately. So as soon as you get an LLC or your S Corp or whatever type of entity you open, you can start building business credit. You don't have to wait years like I did. The second thing that I learned was that banks want to lend to businesses way more than they want to lend to individuals. So think about it. If you were a bank, would you rather lend money to a regular John Doe or to a business that is most likely going to generate revenue and therefore pay you back? So the first thing that I did was to get a business credit card from the bank where we had our business checking account. And our credit wasn't destroyed from the rental business, but obviously it wasn't the best. So we had some utilization. So I was only able to get $10,000 on the business credit card, which is not horrible. But at the same time, you will want to get access to more. But here's the beautiful thing about business credit, is that it grows fast. I made minimum payments for 6 months, and then they increased that limit of 10,000 to 25,000, and then to 50,000. So now that you can start doing some damage. But here's where the real game changer is. I used that business credit card to pay off all of my personal debt from the rental business. And every time that I got a new business credit card, I would use it to pay it off of personal credit cards and also to sell all cars. And that did 2 things. It moved the debt from my personal credit to my business credit. It improved my personal credit score because I was paying off of personal credit cards and loans. And then within a year, using this strategy, we were able to access hundreds of thousands of dollars in business credit. We used this to fund and build our new. We went from facing bankruptcies to doing over $300,000 per month in 8 months. We paid off all our debt and kept our family and friends from getting hurt and built a 7-figure business in the process. All because of business credit cards. So now, I know what you're thinking, right? This sounds amazing, but like, how can I actually do this for myself? Let's say that I want to start offering this type of service, just like you did. What can I do? Okay. So that is exactly why Javi and I created our school community where we teach business owners how to add funding as a service to their existing businesses for just $99 a month. Inside, you will learn the exact systems that we use to help our clients access business credit cards for their own clients and fund. Now, if you want to instead the complete business infrastructure, a complete business in a box with all the funding systems, the marketing system, the sales processes, and everything that we use to scale to seven figures, then you can book a call and join our inner circle. Instead, we will personally help you implement everything. But now let me continue with the story on how you can start building business credit right now. Now, fast forward to today, I have millions of dollars in business credit cards and a thriving business. These credit cards saved me from bankruptcy once, and now they're allowing me to scale my business to levels that I've never even imagined. I have multiple Amex credit cards, Chase business credit cards, and other banks like US Bank, FNBO, you name it. We have them. I started using first regular Amex business credit cards, and then I got the business Chase Inc. card. And that was truly an amazing business credit card to have. I got also, smaller accounts for companies like Cabbage, PayPal, Divvy, Wax, Fleet, and all of these things. But then I started getting into the really good American Express. So like even like the gold ones like this one doesn't necessarily have a limit. This one doesn't really have a limit. So I could keep swiping, and is not getting denied. And that's truly the best credit card that anybody that run ads should have and use because it gives you so many points that then you can use to travel, which is what we're doing right now, using all of our points just to travel. But let's talk about like the biggest mistakes that I made. So don't make the same mistake that I did and start building your business credit as soon as you open your LLC. You can literally immediately start to building your business credit. The sooner that you start, the faster that you will get to where I am today. And here's how you can do it even faster than what I did. Step number one is open your business properly. LLC, S Corp, EIN, business checking account. And then apply for your first business credit card at the bank where you have your business checking account. Obviously, you would want to season that account if you just opened it. So wait a couple of weeks, make a couple of transactions, and deposit a substantial amount of money. So at least $5K or $3 to $5K, whatever you have available. And then apply for your first business credit card at the bank where you have your business checking account. Use that business credit card strategically and pay off anything that you may have on your personal credit profile that is slowing you down, and invest then into your business growth. And as your limit increases, apply for more business credit cards. Work your way up to the premium cards like the American Expresses. Now, the key is to start immediately and to be strategic on how you use the credit. Business credit changed my life, and I went from being a $20 a day pizza maker in Italy to building a seven-figure business in America. I went from facing bankruptcy and $760,000 to start immediately to be strategic about how we use the credit. Now, business credit changed my life. I went from being a $20 a day pizza maker in Italy to building a seven-figure business in America. I went from facing bankruptcy and $600,000 of debt into having millions of dollars in business credit cards that allow me to scale my business to over seven figures. And the beautiful part is that you can do this too. If it saved us, it can save others too. And you can start building business credit right now, today. Within a few years, you can be holding your own stack of business credit cards that give you the freedom to scale. Now, if you want to learn exactly how to do this, join my school community for $99 a month, where I teach you how to add funding as a service to your business. You'll learn exactly all the systems that we use to help our clients access business credit and build successful funding businesses. And if you want the complete business infrastructure and personal help implementing everything, book a call to join our inner circle. The link is in the description. Don't wait like I did. Start and building your business credit today and change your life.